We go one with the bone and one without the bone. Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we got beef short ribs. Look at these. These things look great, guys. And earlier today, I pulled some of the silver skin and I pulled some of the fat off and I cut these up and I salted them, right? And now it's about 7 hours later and yeah, we're ready to cook, right? So we got our celery, we got our carrots, we got some garlic, guys. We got some thyme. Guys, we're gonna put this all together. We got some wine too, right? And some beef broth. Guys, I'm gonna start putting this together and I'll bring you right back. All right, guys, our pan is heating up just nicely and I'm going in with a little bit of lard, right? I'd say probably about a tablespoon. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our beef and we're gonna brown this on all sides, guys. All right, guys, we got our meat all browned up, right? And our meat's nice and browned up, right? On all sides. So we're just gonna throw them in this pan here. All right, guys, I don't wanna use all that grease because that's just a little bit too much. So I'm gonna just pull some of it out of here. Use this paper towel. All right, I took about half of it out. All right, then we're gonna go in with our celery. We turned our pan down. Now carrots. All right, then I'm going in with 2 cups of wine, red wine. We're gonna bring this to a boil. We're gonna bring this to a boil and let it reduce a little. Guys, I forgot to throw in our garlic, so I'm just throwing it in now. We're just getting the flavor out of that garlic, right? So it doesn't matter whether we crushed it or chopped it. So, all right, guys, it's been a few minutes now, and we're going in with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1, not exactly 2, but you know, 2-ish. And we're gonna give that a stir. And this should start to thicken up a little, right? I should have put the tomato paste in earlier, right? To take that pasty taste out of the tomatoes. But hey, we're here, right? We're cooking. All right, guys, so that's done. Let's go in with our thyme. Our bay leaf. So that's our thyme and our rosemary. And then we're gonna go in with our unsalted beef stock, right? Now guys, I have two boxes, right? I'm only going with 1 first. Because I don't want to completely cover the meat. See, 1 box looks like it'd be enough. We might need to do 1.5 boxes. Let's just get our meat in here. And guys, I got this straggler piece. I'm just gonna stick that in there. I'm gonna flavor this with some salt. That's just for the juice, guys, because our meat is already salted. So that's enough. I'm gonna call that there. And we're gonna go in with some black pepper. Guys, we always can season this off later because we're actually gonna strain off, right? We're gonna strain off the vegetables and everything and thicken this up. So we have an opportunity to season it again later, but we just wanna add more flavor. And guys, I got this, right? I got this seasoning here. Found it in Target, right? I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. Just a little bit. Never cooked with this before, so we're gonna find out, right? Guys, let me give this a nice little push around. Guys, I'm gonna just bring this to a boil real quick. All right, guys, our water's just starting to boil, or I should say our beef stock and wine is just starting to boil. I'm gonna cover this up, guys, and we'll see this in about 2 hours. All right, guys, let's take a look. It's been almost 3 hours now. And this is where we're at. And let me just grab a toothpick and let's see where we're going, how we're going in. Guys, we're going in nice and easy. Right, this is soft. This is nice and soft. Just grab a fork. I'll grab this one, see if this is, yep guys, this is fall apart. You see that? I don't know if you can see that. That ready to fall apart. All right, so I'm gonna let this rest. Guys, I'm gonna pull this meat out, let it rest, and then we're gonna work on our sauce. All right guys, let's pull these out of here softly. I don't wanna lose the bones on this, right? Guys, it looks like our sauce is it's already thick. I don't think we're gonna have to do much to it. But strain it. That one lost its bone. Look at that. Guys, you can eat this if you want to, but they've done their job. They extracted all their flavors. All right, guys, then we have our chinois, right? We have our chinois. It's real fine, right? So not much is gonna pass through here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour our sauce through there. Collect everything. All right. And now we're gonna reduce this down and thicken this sauce up a little bit. Let me show you where this sauce is at. It's very loose, right? Very loose. We need to thicken it up. Now I'm gonna let it go for a little while, let it boil for like 3 minutes to 5 minutes. See how much it reduces. If it doesn't reduce much, then I'm gonna do lazy way, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some cornstarch in here. All right, guys, this has been going for a little bit, like about 3 minutes now. Look how much thicker it's gotten. We're gonna let it go a few more minutes, and then we'll taste for salt and pepper. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give this sucker a taste now. It needs salt and pepper. Guys, I'm gonna turn this heat off now, right? And then we're gonna go in with about 3 tablespoons. Guys, and then we're gonna go in about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This butter's soft and it's been sitting out. Now you don't want to do this on high heat, right? Because we don't want this butter to break in our sauce here. So we got it off, and we're just gonna let this go right in, guys. Right in. Just let it dissolve. Guys, that little bit of butter is just gonna take it to the next level. Can you just see how creamy that is? Let's give this a taste. Look at that, guys. It's not soupy anymore. Let's give that a taste. Guys, I'm happy with it. Hi guys, so we made some polenta grits, right? And we're just gonna go down with some polenta, right? On our plate. So guys, with the polenta, I put chicken stock and I put some Parmesan cheese, right? Let's go down with our beef. Go down with 2 of them. We go one with the bone and one without the bone. All right, guys, so we got our sauce. We're gonna just go on top. Just a little bit on top with our sauce. That's enough. I would say that's just enough. Guys, it's time to look at this. Look at this. Let me give you guys a flyover. Look at that, guys. This is looking so good. All right, guys, let's jump in. I'm going to go for some of this polenta first, right? Some of that sauce. Guys, nice cheesy Parmesan cheese polenta. Let's go into our meat. I shouldn't even need a fork for this, and we don't, guys. Look at that. Guys, this is so good. You want some? There you go. Guys, I wish I could give you some of this. Have you guys been good boys and girls? Open, say ah. Say ah. Guys, this is delicious. This is so good. Guys, I haven't had short ribs in a long time. They're very expensive, and guys, to tell you the truth, I never really eat grits this way. Or polenta, if you want to get fancy, right? You don't want to pretend you're from the South, but, you know, guys, this is good. Cheese with chicken stock. Guys, I'm enjoying this. Our meat is fall apart. Guys, does it get any better than this? How much would you pay going out for this? Guys, make it at home. Guys, like, subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking. All right, 1, 2, 3, done.